Hello, dear friend. Welcome to Olympiadia channel. My name is Hossein Mardani. Today, we are going to show the strange number on axis. Why strange? Because we have a rational number, the square root of 8. So how we can show the square root of 8 on axis? We normally show integers and rational number on axis. But how to show irrational, like radical 8 on axis? So let's go to pay the question. The question says, show the exact place of radical 8 or square root of 8 on axis line. So we can't allow to show the approximate radical 8 on line, but we have to show exact point of radical 8 on axis line. How to do that? So here the Pythagorean theorem come to help us. The Pythagorean theorem says that if you have a triangle with an angle of 90 degree, so here we can use the Pythagorean theorem. If we have a triangle with 90 degrees of angle, we can write the relationship of the length as below. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. A and B are the length of 90-degree angle, and C is the length of in front of 90-degree angle. C squared is equal to the summation of A squared and B squared. And as a result, we can get A squared is equal to C squared minus B squared. So we can get the square root of both sides and get C is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared. And A is equal to the square root of C squared minus B squared. And we can verbalize these items, which is C is equal to the square root of addition of two perfect square, and also A is equal to difference of two perfect square. Perfect square is the number like A squared and B squared, which is A and B are both integers. So perfect square is the number like 9 or 16 or 25, which are the square of the number of 3, 4, and 5 respectively. So here we can get C and A. And if we can try write the C as addition of two perfect square and get them inside of square root sign, we can simply write the square root of 8 as C. So the square root of 8 is equal to the square root of difference of two perfect square, like 9 minus 1. 9 and 1 are both the perfect square. 9 is equal to 3 squared and 1 is equal to 1 squared. So let's go back to Pythagorean theorem. Here we have the radical 8 is equal to the square root of 3 square minus 1 square. We can simply replace the radical 8 as A and 3 as C and 1 as B. So here we have a triangle with right angle, and C and B and A are respectively is equal to 3, 1 and radical 8. So as Pythagorean theorem, these lengths make sense. So we can put the triangle right inside our axis line. Here, we can put the triangle in origin of line, and the radical 8 shows the below length of triangle. So we can put the radical 8 as the below length of triangle. So the problem is converted to draw a triangle as this specification. So how to draw this triangle? First of all, we know that b is equal to 1. So let's draw a line with the distance of 1 from the axis line, like here. If we draw a line with the distance of 1 from the axis line, we can supply the distance of b, which is 1. So here we can draw a line in parallel with axis. And then we can draw a circle with the center of origin or 0 and with the radius of 3. These lengths get the length of in front of right angle. So we can draw a circle with the radius of 3, and the length of the triangle, which is in front of right angle, is get by this action. And then in the intersection of circle and the line, we have a sign and draw a line from that sign to origin. And then we can draw a line with respect of ruler, which is perpendicular to axis line. So here we can draw a line which is perpendicular to axis line, and we can draw the triangle, and then we can finish our job. The radical 8 is here in the cross sign, which is the exact point of the square root of 8. Okay, hope you all enjoy this problem. Until the next video, have fun and goodbye.